Hello guys, welcome back to this video tutorial on RESTful web services. In this video we will see how to create a web service to delete an object into the database using an HTTP delete request. Let's create a method that deletes an object into the database. Here we are into the company repository class. This method takes as a parameter the ID of the object to delete and return the company object deleted. Let's copy and paste the code of this method. This is the delete SQL statement to execute. Here, before deleting the object, this method check if the object is in the database using the getCompanyById method. If the object exists, the statement object is created. Then this is the execution of the SQL statement with this string. If it's all okay, after that the statement object is closed, this method return the company object that has been retrieved here from the database. So return the deleted object. If there's something there's some problem with the database connection with an SQL exception, the method return null, and it returns null also if the company object with the ID value passed to the method is not into database. Let's create the method of the web service. We can start with copy and paste of this method that is similar. The notation here is delete according to the RESTful web service rules. The method is delete company. The argument is the ID of the object to delete. Okay, but we have to send with the client application the ID of the object that we want to delete. To do so, we can use again a PathParam here. So here slash and ID, and here we have to add PathParam to map the PathParam in the URL with the ID parameter of the method. Where the argument of the PathParam notation is the same of the parameter that we have here. Okay, now the method is ready and we can start our application. Okay, we can send the new request to the web service. So to do so, we have to see an object to delete. For example, the object with ID equal to 3, Berlin City. So let's copy part of the URL, and now we can create the new request. The method is delete. The relative part of the method was company, and then we have to add the ID of the object to delete, 3. Okay, we can send the request. Okay, perfect. As you see, here there is the object that we have deleted. We can check again here by asking the list of all the objects. As you can see, the number 3 has been deleted. Now we can try to delete an object that is not in the database, for example number 20. Here you can see that the status code is 200, is okay, and now is 452 with an empty object here of class company. All this according to the code of the method, where in case of a null object, that is, the object is not into the database, or it has been an SQL exception, the web service will return an empty object. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. In next video we will see how to upload a file and store it into the server using a RESTful web service.